How to go live on TikTok. TikTok has a variety of ways through which you can interact with your followers. Commenting on the posts of others, replying to the comments on your videos are just some of the ways you can stay connected. Another way to engage with fans is to go live on TikTok. Going live is the best way to communicate with your followers, as it shows an unfiltered side of you. But how can you go live on the social media app? There are a few limitations to going live on TikTok, but we will discuss them while going through the steps. Plus sign. To go live, first you need to open the TikTok app. After opening the app, you need to click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Clicking the plus will open your camera and show you a few options. These options will differ according to the limitations TikTok has on your account. Let's take a look at these limitations. Limitations. TikTok only allows you to go live if you have 1,000 followers or more. Now, if you fulfill this condition, you will see three options on the bottom after clicking plus. One is the camera, the second one is the template, and the last one is live. By clicking on live, you can go live with your followers. Now, if you don't have a 1,000 followers, you can't go live. The screen will only show two options, camera and template. But some people have the live option even though they have less than 1,000 followers. Going live with less than 1,000 followers. People with a follower count less than 1K can go live because of a secret technique. All you have to do is click the three dots on the top right corner and scroll down to report a problem. Here you can report a problem about the live, and then click on Can't Go Live. You can face another hurdle here if you are under 18, as TikTok only allows people aged over 16 to go live. This method isn't recommended as the app wants you to get 1,000 followers before going live. The easiest way to go live is to get the required amount of followers. You can easily reach that point by structuring your videos well and putting out good content on a consistent basis. There is no doubt that you will reach 1,000 followers if you make good content, and then you can easily go live. Customizing live. Now, after you have the option to go live, you can easily customize it in any manner you like. The app gives you numerous ways to tailor the live. You can choose a topic for it and target your niche. There is also an option to choose no topic. You can simply make it a general meet and greet. The app also allows you to add many effects to it. This includes many filters to further enhance the video. You can also allow GIFs, but the minimum age to receive them is 18. Filtered comments can also be allowed, and after you are done, just click the Go Live button to start it. Lives aren't easy, but by focusing on interaction and talking about your niche, you can easily handle them. So this is how you can go live on TikTok and customize it to get the best engagement. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel.